Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 50 Neo, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. To get started, you're gonna hold the power button and volume up at the same time, and from the boot options, press power off. When the device turns off, you wanna hold power button and volume down, and in a moment this will take us to bootloader. So once you see this mode, you can obviously let go of the buttons, and then using volume buttons to navigate, you want to have a recovery mode show up right here, like so, and then confirm it using your power button. Next, you'll have the Android with no commands, so to get past this, we're going to hold power button and press volume up once, and this will then redirect us to the recovery mode. And in here, just like before, we can use volume buttons to navigate up and down, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And going over the options, we have a reboot system now, which takes us back to Android, reboot the bootloader, which will bring us back to the previous, like the first thing that we've seen after turning off the device, enter fastboot mode, which just takes us to fastboot mode, apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. Anyway, I'm gonna stick with the first option and confirm it using power button, and like I mentioned before, this will bring me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.